What is this called? Frost flowers. Delicate ice formations on plants. What is this called? Green flash. Brief green spot at sunset, sunrise. What is this called? Virga. Rain evaporates before reaching ground. What is this called? Haboob. Intense dust or sandstorm. What is this called? Sundog. Bright spots around the sun. What is this called? Moonbow. Rainbow produced by moonlight. What is this called? Catatumbo lightning. Continuous lightning over Catatumbo Lake. Average of 28 strikes per minute. What is this called? Kelvin-Helmholtz clouds. Wave-like cloud formations. What is this called? Hoarfrost. Crystalline frost on surfaces.